Hey there. Okay, so my name is Nelson Buck, and I'm going to explain to you real quick what we're trying to achieve here and why we're talking about Twitch TV. Okay, so twitch.tv/Mardox1 is the channel. It is our channel at twitch.tv, and we have switched from using YouTube to going to Twitch. And I'll explain to you why, and you'll get a good idea as to why we're doing this, and you'll see we're not trying to pull any scams or anything here. This is all legitimate. We're looking here at the very top here on our followers. We're looking to get 50 followers. We have 33 as of the recording, and we need 50. By the end of this week, we need 50 followers. So we're missing 17. So we're asking our members, please go over to twitch.tv/Mardox1 and click on the little follow button. I'm going to show you here in just a second. I'll show you in a second what it looks like, the little button. Okay. So what is it we're trying to do here? I'm just going to go over to dashboards, go over to achievements, and I'll show you our achievements. Twitch is based on achievements, whereas YouTube says get X number of hours viewed. Well, let's start back at the beginning. Let me take a second to explain to you right back at the beginning. YouTube had us monetized. We earned like $91, and that money was supposed to go towards our members who needed stuff like webcams, licenses, laptops, stuff like that. And then they said, well, you need 10,000 total views. We were just shy of 10,000 total views. And then they turned around and said, there's about 3 months later, after the 10,000 total views came into play, you're no longer eligible for the 10,000 total views. There was a glitch, and we have now corrected your file. When they corrected our file, the $91 disappeared. So I contacted them, and they said, oh, well, you're not eligible for monetization, so it doesn't matter. I'm sorry, but if I, as a website, if I were to tell you earn money, you almost at a $100 threshold, and I said, oh, I'm sorry, you're not eligible. After you've already started, I would have been labeled as a scam, big time. So I said, okay, big corporation, their rules, their platform, blah, blah, blah. So what happened is, got to just about to the 10,000 range. We're literally like 8,700 total views on our channel. And then they said, oh, guess what? The 10,000 total views doesn't apply anymore. No, not one bit. Because we're YouTube. We can do what we want. We're owned by Google. I'm sounding sarcastic here for a reason. Okay, so then they said, instead of the 10,000 total views, now you need 4,000 total watch hours and a minimum of 1,000 subscribers to be eligible. Now that has to be 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the last 12-month period. Okay, if I did the hours at YouTube, I'm at 204.6 hours watch time. So we're going to be doing this until 2020, 2025 with YouTube. So we switched over to Twitch, where Twitch has accomplishments, has goals, has achievements. Very easy achievements to do. First, it's the beginning one. Then we were focusing on the path to becoming a Twitch affiliate. There's 4 tasks to achieve, and we've already achieved 3 of them. Here we go. Stream 8 hours in 30 days. Bingo. Like clockwork, stream for 7 unique days in the last 30 days. These are all achievable goals, you see. Who Watches the Watchers? Reach 3 average viewers in the last 30 days. Now, that's a pretty tough one to get. We did it last week. That is to have an average of 3 people watching your live stream in the last 30 days. That means I got to get people in there, about 10 people to pull this off, because sometimes they're watching. It might be 2 viewers, 10 viewers, 8 viewers, 1 viewer, 2 viewers. Depends on when the system sees who's watching. So it adds up all the viewers across the hour or across the point in time, and it says divides up by number of hours, and then says, okay, here's how many average viewers we're watching. And it was funny because we're hitting 2, 2.5, 2.8, and it looks like we hit 2.9, and it kicked us over to 3. So yes. We just made it. We're going to have to work on that one, though, because I think we really do have to show 3.0 or better. Now, here's the last function we need to achieve is, what is my bidding? It's reach 50 followers, and I'm going to show you in just a second how to how to become a follower. Reach 50 followers. We're at 33. We need 50. Once this is achieved, we can then apply to become a Twitch affiliate. Now, our goal behind becoming Twitch affiliate is any money on sales through Amazon, because twitch.tv is owned by Amazon.com. Any sales through Amazon, where we will earn with Amazon, or any subscription payments, any donations, any contributions on our Twitch channel that are made, that money is going to go towards the fundraising for our members that need different things. Like, for example, we had one member that needed a webcam, another member that needed a laptop. Coming up, there is a member who does game development, and her game software, development software, has a license of $499. So we are going to be doing a fundraiser to raise $500 so we can pay for her up-to-date version of her software. But again, people who get these things, these laptops, webcams, software licenses, they're expected to make or contribute content back to our website to make our community grow even more. So it's not that we're just giving stuff out. You got to be an active member, and you got to be, pushing. It does go through a voting process, or there is a vetting system, so, to determine who gets what, But before we can do that, we need to become a Twitch affiliate. And that Twitch affiliate process, we need 17 more followers as of this recording, and then we will achieve that goal, and this is done. Then now check this out. We've been doing really good. We have 25 hours in the last 30 days. We streamed 12 unique days in the last 30 days. Now reached 75 average viewers in the last 30 days. Just like this one here, the 3, to become a Twitch partner, which is way, way good, we need to reach 75 average viewers, which would mean we would have to have on per show 100 to 150 viewers actively watching on the shows in order to reach a 75 average. That's going to be a hell of a challenge, but we'll do it. But that's later, right? Right now we're looking for path to affiliate. That's what we're doing. So this is why we switched over to Twitch, and I'm going to show you, like I said I would, I'm going to show you the function. So when you go over to twitch.tv/Mardox1, let's do that here. .tv/Mardox1. You come to our channel, and there's going to be a little process here for you. So you're going to come to our channel. This is where you can watch our live stream Monday through Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, there's 33 followers. You need to click on follow. When you click on follow, it's going to ask you to log in or sign up. If you're not already signed up, you can use your Facebook account to connect, or create an account. Very simple to do. It takes 2 seconds. Confirm your email, and you're a Twitch follower. With that, being followed, you can put comments in while you're chatting with us. You'll get notifications when we have a show that goes up. And above all, you will help us achieve the goal of 50 followers. I know it's not a huge amount, but we're asking our members to help out, because this week we want to get there so that we can move forward and start monetizing our channel. So, with that said, I hope this explains a lot. I'm Nelson Buck. We do the daily live chat Monday through Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 12 noon Pacific, and everybody is welcome to come in and participate. What else can be said? That's pretty much it. We also give away contests, prizes to our Twitch followers. Going forward, as of this year, anybody who has to win a prize has to be a follower if you want to be part of the contests. If you're not a follower, you're not eligible. So that's another reason why you want to follow. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to wish you guys a great day, and have a good one.